Nexa Showroom Eastern Motor Imphal Da Maruti Suzuki Vitara launch Toukhre Anova Makhalgi Maruti Suzuki Vitara Delta Zeta Amadi Alpha Haina Khaidoktuna Tongan model singda Consumer Singda Fangangadori Consumer Singna Nexa Eastern Motor Imphal Da Lising Kunma Thoida booking Togduna Haidiba Anova Vitara Sibu Sizanaviu Haina Nexa Eastern Motor Gi Maikei Digi Fongdorakli.
This occasion marks an important step in our journey towards cleaner, smarter, the more sustainable future important step like this launching. I congratulate this Maruti Suzuki India Limited as well as Eastern Motors on getting the Vitara to the market, and this actually shows the commitment of the company to innovation and more responsible and hygienic. But the government is always committed towards supporting this EV adoption, maybe through enabling policies and improved infrastructure like having more charging stations. In fact, we have been discussing. We have been inviting partners to submit their quotations on having possibilities of more charging stations. Because when we have more charging points, then people will also adopt e-vehicle. Positive issues charging issues like e-rickshaw but still I think there's a whole more need on this. Then the side transport, we used to have this subsidy, 20% subsidy on registration of electric vehicles, but now government now we have reduced, and even about 10 lakhs now normal vehicle 7% registration charge now for e-vehicle it's just 4%. So we have given some kind of flat subsidy on buying electric vehicles. Then I'm sure adoption of these e-vehicles is really going to make an impact on the environment. As I was saying, environment director, so like things which I have actually studied present on e-vehicles and the pollution then today's city unveiling ceremonies, they also even I got to know more about specifications, car model specifications. So I was actually enlightened by the entire staff of Eastern Motors and also this financial aspects of buying a new car.